In the Philippines, being multilingual is not just a skill, it's a way of life. Most Filipinos grow up speaking at least 2 languages, often more. At home, many families communicate in their local dialect, such as Cebuano, Ilocano, or Hiligaynon. In schools and public spaces, Filipino and English take center stage, serving as the national and official languages. From an early age, children are taught to transition fluidly between tongues, effortlessly adapting their speech based on the situation and the people around them. This linguistic versatility reflects the country's diverse history, shaped by indigenous roots, centuries of Spanish colonization, and American influence. For Filipinos, being multilingual opens doors to greater cultural understanding, communication, and global opportunities. It's a source of pride, a connection to heritage, and a vital asset in today's interconnected world, where the ability to speak multiple languages is more important than ever.